Hey guys, so we had a big move a couple of days ago, and Piece of Cake made the entire process so easy. The team came prepared with plenty of boxes, dollies, and blankets, and the team was ready to rock and roll from there, wasting no time as soon as they got in, preparing some boxes here, all our dishes wrapped and put away carefully. My suits neatly placed in the Piece of Cake wardrobe boxes. And they even took care of our giant, heavy king-size bed. It was no problem for them. There she goes. I literally had nothing to do, so I just decided to answer some emails and, yeah, just drink a cup of coffee. Cheers. I mean, look how beautiful this is. Everything's stacked and organized. And, yeah, I mean, just great job. The entire apartment is completely empty. This took about 2 hours. And off to our new spot, where they quickly unpacked everything. Here's the modular couch, big mirror, and even our concrete coffee table. And they even reassembled our bed. Affy is super happy with the move, doing her little dance. And thank you, Piece of Cake, for making our move so easy. You guys are the best.